Hello everybody, we're getting ready to do 2.5 of Algebra 1. It'll be part 1, part 2, part 3 is available here. Okay. 2.5, solve equations with variables on both sides. And we have a 30-point skill sheet here to do. And we got 4 points here of note-taking guides here available. Teachers, here's your bell work for your students as they walk in the door. When you would recommend using this method to solve an equation y. So here's a question here, and students, give your students about 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes to do it. Okay, welcome back. Here is our solution here for A, and then here's our solution here for B. Okay, and then divide each side by the equation by a number outside parentheses. So that would be a possibility here. Explain why this could be a shortcut. Okay, yeah, okay, true. There's your answer there. Okay. 2.5, solve equation with variables on both sides. You solve equation with variables on one side. You'll solve equation with variables on both sides now. Alright, so both sides here, we got variables. Some equations have variables on both sides. To solve such equations, you can collect the variable terms on one side of the equation and the constant terms on the other side of the equation. So for example, here, example 1, solve this. So when you have this situation here, what do we do here? Well, we're going to add 8x over here to get rid of this, and then we're going to bring that over here. Then what do we do from there? Well, let's try a guided practice here. We do this one here. Okay, we have 24 minus 3m equals 5n. So we bring this over here to this side by adding 3m to both sides here. We have 8m equals 24, and then m would equal 3 in that situation. And then our check here, sure enough it checks, so the method seems to work out pretty good. Example 2, solve this now. Solve an equation with grouping symbols. We got our parentheses here, and no parentheses over there. So there's our original, so distributive properties. So we multiply 1/4 to 60 and 1/4 to 60. We get 4 here, and then 15 here. 1/4 times 16 is 4. And then 1/4 times 60 would be 15. So now we subtract 4x from both sides, and we get 5x minus 5 equals 15. We bring our 5 over here. We add 5 to both sides, and then we get 20. And then x equals 4. Okay, students, here's our guided practice here. How are we going to solve this? And this is yours alone down here. Okay, here's the original. So first what we're going to do is we're going to multiply through here, through the parentheses. We get 60 minus 8 here when we distribute our multiplication of our 2. And then what we do here is we're going to move our 5z over here. We're going to subtract 5z from both sides. Then we have negative 2 equals z minus 8. And then we're going to add 8 now to both sides, and we get z equals. And then here's our check, and it checks out. So that method will definitely work, and that is 2.5 Algebra 1. Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3 is available here. Thank you.